Yeah, yeah. Okay, okay. Well, you can fuck out.
Ms. DeBose, I'm going to put you in the waiting room until we're ready to call your case, okay?
Okay, no problem.
Yeah. Okay.
Madam Clerk,
Yes, sir.
now Ms. Quiana DeBose would like to set that for a trial date. As soon as I went in, she wants to set that for a trial date.
Okay, not a
Okay.
problem. Who would you like to start with?
Whoever you call or those people are, I gave you the names, it doesn't matter.
Okay.
Let's do the dismissals first.
Yes, sir. We have a retained matter. Paul Bogus is here for Riggins.
Yeah, really.
And we're ready, Your Honor.
Who are you ready on, Madam Clerk? What do you want to
Yes,
start
sir.
with?
Paula Riggins.
All right. This is case number Z 808-355-1, Paula Riggins, BAC .17 or more. Let's have appearances.
Good morning, Your Honor. Paul Bogus, retained counsel. Sitting to my right is Miss Riggins, my client, here at my office.
Tell your client I need her appearance.
What's your name?
Paula Riggins.
Thank you. All right, counsel, what's going on?
Yes, Your Honor, this is the day and time set for a trial. I've been advised by your court clerk that the officer has failed to appear. We're ready to proceed with the trial, but at this time, we respectfully move to ask this court to dismiss this case in its entirety.
All right. All right, Miss Riggins was very lucky today. The officer didn't appear. Okay. This is based on the representations of House Counsel that this officer has failed to appear. Madam Clerk,
Yes, Your Honor.
has the officer failed to appear on Riggins?
Officer Wandia Jones, badge number 12 from the Detroit Police Department, did not appear today.
All right, based on the fact that this matter was set at 8:30, it is now 9:35. The officer has failed to appear. I'm going to dismiss case number Z 808-355-1. Ms. Riggins, you're free to go.
Thank you,
Thank
Your
you.
Honor. Bye.
Next is Carlos Davis, Your Honor.
Davis?
Yes,
Carlos
Carlos.
Davis, okay. This is case number SX 135-64962. Carlos Davis, driver's license suspended. Let's have appearances. Attorney Rucker?
Good morning, Your Honor. Tyrone Rucker, P number 61867 on behalf of Mr. Carlos Davis.
Is this Carlos Davis, Mr. Davis? Let me have your appearance.
State your name, sir.
Oh, Carlos Davis.
Thank you. House Counsel, is there an offer?
Yes, sir.
This
I
is no
believe
officer,
this-
Your Honor.
I'm sorry, Madam Clerk?
No officer appeared.
Oh, no officer appeared. All right, this matter was set at 8:35. It is now 9:36. No officer has appeared. I'm going to dismiss case number SX 135-64962. Mr. Davis, you owe us $25 for the House Counsel fee. How much time you need to pay?
Well, I have paid a bond. I have paid a bond of $200
Oh,
already.
you'll get the 25 subtracted from the bond, and the 175 will be returned to you.
Would they mail it out?
Madam Clerk, how does this money come back to him?
They will mail it to him, Your Honor.
They'll mail it to you, Mr. Davis.
Your Honor, well, okay, with the reinstatement of my license, how soon would I be able to go to the Secretary of State and take the test again?
This dismissal will go into the record today, Mr. Davis. So the
Okay,
Secretary
thank
of State will be aware that this ticket no longer exists.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You need to write down the case number, Mr. Davis. SX,
Okay.
Your Honor,
yes, sir. Yes, ma'am.
he does owe a clearance fee. So if he does come into the court and let the cashiers know, they'll apply his bond to the attorney fee and the clearance fee, and he'll get a clearance immediately.
Mr. Davis, did you just hear that?
Can she repeat that for me one more time, Your Honor?
Could you tell him one more time, Madam Clerk?
Yes, yes, Your Honor. If you come into the court, Mr. Davis, and let the cashiers know that you have a bond that needs to be applied, they will apply that immediately to your clearance fees that you owe and your attorney cost, and then you'll get a clearance right away.
The clearance is from the Secretary of State, Mr. Davis, because there's a $45 reinstatement fee.
When I go to the Secretary of State, I have to pay the reinstatement fee?
The clerk has told you if you go down to the 36th District Court, you can pay it down there, and it will be subtracted from your bond.
Okay.
That's what she just told you.
So with them mailing it out, if I go down to the court, they won't mail it out. We can just we'll be able to settle the differences there, I guess.
Well,
Mr. Davis, they will apply your bond to whatever you owe to the court. Anything that's left over, they will mail to you because they can't issue a refund at that time. But they will apply it to your fines and costs and your clearance fees, and then they'll send you out the remaining balance. But if you're not in a hurry to get your clearance, you can just wait and they'll do it when I send down the paperwork. It'll just take a couple of weeks.
Okay. Thank you.
So it's quicker if you come into the court.
you're free to go, Mr. Davis.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor. Thank you, clerk. Thank you, attorney. Appreciate you all.
All right. House Counsel, you ready on anybody else?
Yes, Your Honor.
Adia Reed.
Reed, all right.
Adia Reed.
This is case number SP 122-68121. Adia Reed. No driver's license. Case number SP 122-68122. Adia Reed. No insurance. Let's have appearances.
Good morning, Your Honor. Tyrone Rucker, P number 61867 on behalf of Miss Adia Reed. Miss Reed, state your name.
Adia Reed.
Thank you. Is there an offer, House Counsel?
Yes, Your Honor, there is, whereby my client would plead to ticket number P122-68121 under a delayed sentence, and the other two matters would be dismissed with stipulation to probable cause.
All right, I only have two matters. What's the third matter?
Okay, let me read.
Is it the same ticket number?
There's
Madam
only
Clerk?
two.
Oh, you know what, Your Honor, it's two, but it just meant charge two.
Okay.
It was charged.
So the offer is for your client to plead to one,
Correct,
dismiss the other.
correct.
All right. Madam Clerk, would you swear Ms. Reed in?
Ms. Reed, can you raise your right hand, please, and let me know when it's raised?
It's raised.
Do you swear to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth, so help you?
I do.
Pay attention to me, Ms. Reed. Did you have an opportunity today to speak to an attorney in private about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you or promise you anything in exchange for your plea?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are actually guilty?
Yes.
Do you understand that by pleading guilty, you would waive your right to a trial?
Yes.
Knowing that you are waiving that right, do you wish to continue to plead guilty?
Yes.
Madam Clerk, I need a date and time Ms. Reed will stop.
July 17th, 2021 at 6:23 p.m.
Ms. Reed, on that date and time, will you stop by members of the Detroit Police Department and issue violations?
I'm sorry, can you repeat that?
On that date and time, will you stop by members of the Detroit Police Department and issued violations?
Yes.
Counsel, would you voir dire your client for the factual basis?
Yes, that was July 17th, Your Honor, you said?
Yes, sir. The factual basis for the offer that you just made,
Okay.
which is a plea under advisement.
Yeah, I just want to make sure I got it. Ms. Reed, on the date and time when you were operating that vehicle in the city of Detroit, did you
Yes.
allow an unlicensed driver to operate that vehicle?
Yes.
Okay.
All right, court is satisfied. Ms. Reed is declared responsible to case number SP 122-68121, which has been reduced from allowing an unlicensed driver's license to now it's a 6-month failure. It has been reduced to a 6-month plea under advisement. So Ms. Reed, as long as you do not have any other ticket violations in the next 6 months or any ordinance violations, this matter will be dismissed. You understand?
Judge, before she answers, I have 3 months to checked out on the form, 3 months on the form that I received.
I thought you just told me 6 months.
No, I'm looking right at the plea, 3 months.
Madam Prosecutor,
Yes, Judge.
is it 6 or 3?
And what's the case? I just walked in.
Oh, I'm sorry. This is Ida Reed. It is
Okay.
a plea under advisement to allowing, case number SP 122-68121.
I see it, Judge. Yeah, so the standard plea would be 3 months.
All
Yeah,
right.
3-month delayed sentence. Thank you,
All
Judge.
right, Ms. Reed, that's a 3-month delayed sentence as long as you don't have any further violations. This matter will be dismissed. You understand?
Yes.
Madam Clerk, does she need a review date?
Yes, Your Honor, that would be, July 28th at 8:35.
All right, Ms. Reed, I'm gonna dismiss case number SP 122-68122 for your agreement with the prosecutor. And this is yours, $200, Ms. Reed. How much time do you need to pay?
I'm sorry, how much do I owe?
200.
At least a couple weeks.
No problem. I'll give you a month.
Okay, thank you.
And you can pay at the 36th District Court or at the kiosk in front of the building.
Okay.
And your review date was July. What was the review date?
It was July 28th at 8:35.
You get that date, Ms. Reed?
Yes, July 28th at 8:35.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. You're free to go.
I'm sorry, will that be on Zoom as well?
Yes,
Yes.
Okay. Okay, same Zoom number?
yes.
Same number. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
All right. See ya.
Bye-bye.
House counsel, you ready on anybody else?
Yes, Your Honor. Alexis Davis.
Jacobs?
Alexis Davis.
Oh, Davis. Okay. Alexis Davis. This is case number SP 125-90662. Alexis Davis, no proof of insurance. Let's have appearances.
Yes.
Tyron Rucker, P number 61867 on behalf of Miss Alexis Davis.
Let me have your name, Ms. Davis.
Alexis Davis.
Thank you. Is there an offer, House counsel?
Your Honor, there he is. The offer, my client would plead responsible to the amended charge of blockading. The original charge was 11 to 15 over, and she would be pleading to the amended blockading and 2 and 3, which include no proof of insurance and driving without license would be dismissed.
All right. Thank you. Madam Clerk, would you swear Mrs. Davis in?
Ms. Davis, can you please raise your right hand and let me know when it's raised?
It's raised.
Do you swear to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth, so help you?
Yes.
Pay attention to me, Ms. Davis. Did you have an opportunity today to speak to an attorney in private about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you or promise you anything in exchange for your plea?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are actually guilty?
Yeah. Yes.
Do you understand that by pleading guilty, you would waive your right to a trial?
Yes.
Knowing that you're waiving that right, do you wish to continue to plead guilty?
Yes.
Madam Clerk, I need a date and time, Ms. Davis, to stop.
October 2nd, 2021 at 12:17 PM at Gratiot Avenue and St. Patrick Street.
Ms. Davis, on that date and time, will you stop by members of the Detroit Police Department and issue violation?
Yes, sir.
Counsel, would you void your client for the factual basis?
Ms. Davis, on that date and time that you would stop, were you driving in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And did you have a valid driver's license?
No.
Okay, thank you.
Satisfied, Your Honor. People are satisfied.
All right, court will find Ms. Davis responsible on case number SP 125-90663, which has been reduced from driver's license suspended to blockading per her agreement with the prosecutor. I'm going to dismiss case number SP 125-90661 and case number SP 125-90662. Ms. Davis, you owe us $175. How much time do you need to pay?
And 1 second, Ms. Davis, before you speak, I just wanted to correct the record. She would be pleading responsible to SP 125-9066 count 1, which is the 11 to 15 miles per hour over, amended to blockading, and dismissal of 2 and 3, which is the civil infraction, no proof of insurance, and driving while license suspended. Those are count 2 and 3. I just wanted to make sure you had that, Judge.
Thank you, and the court will accept that and accept the responsibility for Ms. Davis for pleading to case number SP 125-90661, which has been reduced from 11 to 15 over to blockading. The other two matters, SP 125-90662 and SP 125-90663 are dismissed.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, Ms. Davis, we're back to the $150. How much time do you need to pay?
You said $150?
Yes, ma'am.
I can pay it. I'm trying to think. I know I can pay it next month.
No problem. I can give you 30 days.
Okay, that's cool. That's fine with me.
All right, I'll give you 30 days, Ms. Davis. You can pay at the 36districtcourt.org or at the kiosk in front of the 36th District Court.
Okay.
All right, Ms. Davis, you're free to go.
Thank you.
Thank you. Good luck, Ms. Davis.
Bye.
And Your Honor, I just wanted to bring to your attention, I have an Officer Leonard. It looks like defendant Ramos hasn't checked in. I'm not sure if the officer has to go, but I got a call a couple of minutes ago. She was just wondering what was happening.
Okay, let's go to Ramos if the officer's not here.
The officer is here. Yep, she's here.
Who's Ramos here on?
Ramos is, I'm sorry, Officer Leonard is here for Ramos and the defendant did not appear, so.
Okay, so let's call the case. Let me call the case. Which Ramos is this? Hello?
I'm sorry, one more time. Suriaka or something, Your Honor. Suriaka.
Thank you. All right. So this is case number SP 120-027381. Suriaka Ramos, driver's license suspended. Case number SP 120-27382. Suriaka Ramos, no insurance. Let's have appearances.
Good morning, Your Honor. Tamika Horn on behalf of the people of the city of Detroit, P70303. I want to acknowledge our officer who is here. Officer Leonard, please place your name on the record.
Officer Devin Leonard.
Thank you. Welcome, officer.
Good morning, Your Honor. Tyron Rucker, P61867, on behalf of Suriaka Ramos.
All right, let me hear from you, counsel.
Your Honor, it appears that our defendant did not appear, Mr. and Mrs. Ramos. It is now 9:53 p.m. The call was for 8:30 a.m. and I'm sorry, it's 9:53 a.m. and the defendant has failed to appear.
All right, based on the representations of the prosecutor, I've lost my place.
And the people are requesting a show cause.
All right, all right. What's the name of this person?
And that is Suriaka, S-U-R-I-A-K-A. Middle name Marie, M-A-R-I-E, Ramos,
Ramos,
R-A-M-O-S.
okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. Based on the representations of the prosecutor, we're going to issue a show cause for these two matters. Officer, you have checked in, you're ready, since she's failed to appear, we'll show cause her, you're free to go.
All right, thank you so much, Your Honor.
All right.
Thank you, Officer Leonard. Be safe.
Yep, no problem. You too, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, thank you.
Lauren Dean or Kiana DeBose?
All right, we'll go to the DeBose. Case number SP 123-07791, Kiana DeBose and proper plates. Case number SP 123-07992, Kiana DeBose unregistered and titled. Case number SP 123-07793, Kiana DeBose, no insurance. Case number SP 123-314291, Kiana DeBose unregistered and titled. Case number SP 123-07891, Kiana DeBose, deal history PL. Case number SP 123-07892, Kiana DeBose, no insurance. Let's have appearances.
Morning, Your Honor. Tyron Rucker, P number 61867, on behalf of Kiana DeBose. State your name, Ms. DeBose.
Kiana DeBose.
Was there an officer, House Counsel? Was there an offer?
There was, Your Honor, but my client is elected to set this for a trial.
Madam Clerk, let me have a trial date for Mr. DeBose.
July 29th at 8:35, please.
Mr. DeBose, you hear that?
Yes, sir.
July 29th, 2021, 8:30 in the morning.
Okay.
You're free to go, Mr. DeBose.
Okay, thank you.
This was scary.
Next is Lauren Dean.
Laura D. Okay. This is case number SP 122-72051, Lauren Dean, driver's license suspended. Case number SP 122-72052, Lauren Dean, expired plates. Let's have appearances.
Good morning, Your Honor. Tyron Rucker, P61867, on behalf of Ms. Lauren Dean.
Let me
Ms.
have
Dean,
your
state
name,
your
Ms.
name.
Dean.
Lauren Dean.
Thank you. Is there an offer, House Counsel?
Your Honor, there is. The officer will consist of my client pleading responsible to charges 2 and 3, which consist of expired plates and no proof of insurance, and whereby the misdemeanor driving my license suspended would be dismissed, and that would be with a stipulation to probable cause.
Thank you. Madam Clerk, would you swear Ms. Dean in?
Dean, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you?
Yes.
Pay attention to me, Ms. Dean. Put your hand down. Did you have an opportunity to speak to an attorney today in private about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you or promise you anything in exchange for your plea?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are actually guilty?
Yes.
Do you understand that by pleading guilty, you would waive your right to a trial?
Yes.
Knowing that you are waiving that right, do you wish to continue to plead guilty?
Yes.
Madam Clerk, I need a date and time Ms. Dean will stop.
July 17th, 2021 at 6:54 PM, Hoover Street and East 7 Mile Road.
Ms. Dean, on that date and time, will you stop by members of the Detroit Police Department and issue violations?
Can you repeat that?
On that date and time, will you stop by members of the Detroit Police Department and issue violations, tickets?
Yes.
Counsel, would you void to your client's factual basis?
Yes, Ms. Dean, on that date and time, July 17, 2021, do you recall operating a vehicle in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Did you have a valid driver's license at the time you were operating that vehicle?
No.
Okay, thank you.
Ms. Dean,
Yes.
on that date and time, did you have expired plates?
Yes.
You had expired plates and no proof of insurance?
Yes.
I'm gonna find Ms. Dean is pled responsible on case number SP 122-72052 and case number SP 122-72053. Per her agreement with the prosecutor, I'm dismissing case number SP 122-72051. Expired plates, no proof of insurance. 150, 170. Proof of insurance. 150.
Your Honor, if I could, no proof of insurance is 195.
Yeah, I've got improper plates at 190. What about proof of insurance? Proof of insurance?
No proof of insurance is 195 and expired plates is 145.
Oh, 195 and 145. Okay. And the council see 10, 14, 3. Ms. Davis, you owe us $365. Oh, Ms. Dean, you owe us $365.
Okay.
How much time do you need to pay?
About 40 days.
I'll give you 2 months.
Okay.
36 District Court at the kiosk in front of the building.
Okay.
You're free to go, Ms. Dean.
Okay, thank you.